Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the M Hardware number RB2470 in a US3 finish. This is a curved roller stop is what it is. A curved roller stop, you don't see them often, but when you do, they are filling the job of a piece of hardware that really no other piece of hardware can do. You will use a curved roller stop as a means by which to prevent two doors from colliding into each other. The curved roller stop is when you have a condition where you have a 90-degree sort of wall construction. You've got a door on each side of the 90-degree, and those two doors are of the same hand. If you have two doors that are of one of each hand, you want a straight roller stop in most instances. The curved will allow you to mitigate a situation where you have a let's say a door within a bathroom for towels, things of that nature. That door is held ajar. It's not pushed closed. The entry door to the unit, to the bathroom, is hinged here, and it will open this way, hitting the other door. But when you have that curved roller stop attached, the entry door will hit the roller first and will gently simply push the door out of the way. That's what they're used for. You're not going to see them in residential applications, but you will certainly see them in hotel rooms all the time. You'll see them in retail spaces where they have a door going to the back of the cash wrap. Think of your favorite coffee shop. They've got a door to a mechanical closet which swings out this way, but then they've got a door to the back of the cash wrap that swings out this way as well. Should one of the doors be left ajar and the other is opened, you're in good shape. Like, namely, that utility closet door is going to be left ajar momentarily while someone comes and crashes into it. That's what the roller stop is for. Now, dimensional properties, let's go over it now. L&M is an importer of nice quality trim and auxiliary hardware. You can see, well, maybe you can't, well, you can see certainly, but you might not notice, this is cast brass. This is solid cast brass, and that's what cast brass looks like when it has a lacquer on it. This is going to have a projection, they call it of 2 5/8. Okay? You can kind of judge that, eyeball that on the camera. We're about 2 5/8. An overall length, of about 4 7/8. Okay, height of the base over here is about 1 3/4 inches. Width of the base about 2 3/16. This is going to include 3 screws and a complementary finish. The 3 plastic anchors, I'm never quite sure what they intend those for. You might have a door that does not have substantial structure underneath for a screw to actually hold onto. You might use a plastic anchor in that regard. Similar to, like, if you're installing something on a drywall, you might use a plastic anchor for that application. Meaning, if you've got a fire-rated wood door or a particle board wood door that has very poor screw withdrawal strength, you might opt to include that plastic anchor, even though the door needs to be properly reinforced, and a plastic anchor is not that. L&M offers this in the US3, or better called 605 polished brass. 605 infers two things, that it's made of solid brass and that it has a polished finish. They also offer it in 2060, which is satin chrome, really better called 626, which infers satin solid brass along with a brushed satin chrome finish plating on it. Okay. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the L&M products that we sell, but a link to their price list, which allows you to review the balance of the trim and auxiliary hardware that they supply. If you're looking for the general run-of-the-mill material, the very common trim and auxiliary hardware, you're going to have, we'll show you the line of trim and auxiliary. They don't get into a lot of exotic, unusual things, but I think what L&M hardware would tell you, listen, you want the same material that you're already buying from a name that you already know, buy it from me, it's the same item. I think that's what they would tell you. Short of that, here's another advantage. The fellow who is running the place has decades of experience. It is all very good, high quality material. It's generally always in stock, and the price is indeed quite fair. If you have any questions on the L&M RB2470 roller stop or any other L&M hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.